The RxCrush is a pill crushing system that delivers pulverized and dissolved medication directly to a feeding tube via the sealed-in fit pill pouches.
With gloved hands, open the plastic pouch and insert the medication pills. Ensure the seal is secure. Fill the syringe with distilled water. Attach the water-filled and fit syringe to the pouch. Don't inject the water yet. Roll over the zip seal to ensure closure. Hold the syringe to the side and use the crush plate to crush pills by moving the handle up and down. Move the pill pouch under the roller and roll it back and forth to pulverize the pills. The syringe should be held to the side again. Inject the water from the syringe into the pill pouch. Keep the syringe attached to the pouch and shake the pill pouch until the medication is completely dissolved. Take the extra time to ensure it's thoroughly mixed. Draw the dissolved solution from the pill pouch into the syringe. Attach the syringe to the feeding tube and inject the dissolved solution into the feeding tube. Repeat the last stages of the process as needed to administer all the needed medication to the patient.
Thank you for watching the RxCrush demonstration so your nurses and staff can have a successful pill crushing experience. Please reach out with any questions and a member of our staff will be happy to assist you.